Tile showroom dealers have many things to consider and a lot going on in a typical day. Managing install crews, meeting with builders and clients, showroom walk-ins. You're already overwhelmed with things to do. And when a shower install is involved, there are a host of additional challenges, liabilities, and hazards. However, you can gain peace of mind by using KBRS, top-of-the-line shower systems, and virtually eliminate liability and risks, all while saving a full day of labor. Introducing the KBRS Tile Basin, a turnkey tileable solution to building a leak-proof shower floor. And the KBRS Shower Slope, the ideal replacement to traditional shower pans constructed from leak-prone mortar beds. Any shape, any size, any drain location, anywhere in the USA. No exceptions. Make more money from shower installs. Consider a switch to KBRS shower systems today.